Dark, what's the same crap? Dark, me wa pambi, the wuchi da punyakopon, nanim. Etime mama bamula. Mr. Me wa pambi wuchi da punyakopon, nanim. Uriani, dark. Mama maniso, atre, was row. And when I'm a boy be free beba, the yakopon no bomb in or it tonko. The babia, Nani woman hawk, the tea obrano, minister, and yet the yak. Never Nyan Marie, a beba move. Me mama bamu da biarada e wo nyame ya me wadi nyinara pe otira punyako ponde boye komban brada pakusie bia na anwumere nyina sanya wurade aka ya tamfo akunya dadada na so da bia na niku ye ho obrade mu pe aja no re toko no re dada da bia me mama ni so atre otira punyako pon me mpa ibo nyina ne se aja bo me ya matafo twa me ho ahia nya kane ye pe me ni ose ye nkoa na so ye ho ye nim se ye dome Dark na so many say a matamfo or much extra and now what do mean Tino? A jack, a year you mother be a rada. Ya, what kind of was the movie? Namati ne masumu, Usiman until what I'm fully furious so. Now so furious every year made that. Over to make no trade up when Yanko from Matam winning. Over in the Adruso, Dark, Mamma Maniso, Metro, a point Yanko on Nasara number be a potting dark. Well, I just probably Hoban, the Babayarak, Mary, a Janin Toko, Tini, the Babia Minister, Honda, the Womba Brabu, Babia Mephobia, Tida Puyanko, Cameo, a year Radiaka Matam for Kuyada. Now, so the Babia Boy Hoba, but you rata for this. Mamma Maniso, actually between them Puyanko, or so neck assassin Ranakata, but in a hinga, so for a tonko, dark, the person make us a show. Fa hoto tira punyakopon na sunati na senna eye ne papa abrafo semeka ayana kufu bisimi yiridi be punyame matama ne so wade kata wusu a obi ntimi ma osore frede mronkom na waba asase so na waba bishra ne ma ejinidi yara wana ta maybe you don't know anything dark if you really wanna get him in my God, Father, but God, people wanna store me. The Father wanna bless me for the time now. Father, bless me for my time. Father, bless me for my time. Enemies to surrender me. God, is it wrong? It's wrong. Father, bless me for my time. Enemies to surrender me.